Lei Jun confirms Xiaomi 12s Ultra while revealing Xiaomi 12s Pro design and specifications. Notebookcheck.net news. Or, search relation. 3D printing. 5G. Accessory. AI. Alder Lake. AMD. Android. Apple. Arc. ARM. Audio. Benchmark. Biotech. Business. Camera. Canon Lake. Cezanne Zen 3. Charts. Chinese tech. Chromebook. Console. Convertible 2-in-1. Cryptocurrency. Cyberlaw. Deal. Desktop. DIY. E-mobility. Education. Exclusive. Fail. Foldable. Gadget. Galaxy S. Gamecheck. Gaming. Geforce. Google Pixel. GPU. How to. Ice Lake. Intel. Intel Evo. Internet of Things IoT. iOS. iPad. iPad Pro. iPhone. Jasper Lake. Lakefield. Laptop. Launch. Leaks rumors. Linux Unix. List. Lucienne Zen 2. MacBook. Mini PC. Monitor. MSI. OnePlus. Opinion. Phablet. Radeon. Raptor Lake. Renoir. Review Snippet. Rocket Lake. Ryzen Zen. Science. Security. Single board computer SBC. Smart home. Smartphone. Smartwatch. Software. Storage. Tablet. ThinkPad. Thunderbolt. Tiger Lake. Touchscreen. Ultrabook. Virtual reality VR. Augmented reality AR. Wearable. Wi-Fi 7. Windows. Workstation. XPS. Zen 3 Vermeer. Zen 4. Xiaomi co-founder has revealed several details about the Xiaomi 12s Pro. One of 3 smartphones in the upcoming Xiaomi 12s series. Simultaneously, he also confirmed that the Xiaomi 12s Ultra will be joining the Xiaomi 12s and Xiaomi 12s Pro at next week's launch event. Originally thought of as the Xiaomi 12 Ultra instead. Earlier today, Xiaomi revealed the launch date of the Xiaomi 12s series. Mid-generation upgrades on the Xiaomi 12 and Xiaomi 12 Pro. While Xiaomi's global social media accounts are fairly quiet as far as Xiaomi 12s series teasers go. Its teaser campaign is well underway on Weibo. Seemingly, the lack of activity is a sign that the Xiaomi 12s series will be a Chinese exclusive. At least for now. So far, most teasers have come from Lei Jun, Xiaomi's co-founder. Writing on Weibo, Jun has confirmed that there will be 3 devices in the Xiaomi 12s series. As expected, Xiaomi plans to reveal the regular Xiaomi 12s, along with the Xiaomi 12s Pro and the Xiaomi 12s Ultra. In fact, Jun has already posted on Weibo using the latter device, shown in the embedded screenshot below. Additionally, Xiaomi's co-founder has shared a marketing teaser of the Xiaomi 12s Pro, whose design matches a hands-on image that surfaced last month. Incidentally, it looks like the Xiaomi 12s series will build on the design language established by the Xiaomi 12 series, with a few minor tweaks like Leica branding. Based on the teaser image, the Xiaomi 12s Pro will have top and bottom firing speakers tuned by Harman Kardon, plus an IR blaster for use with smart home devices. Moreover, the image confirms that the Xiaomi 12s series will lack Leica's iconic red logo. Instead, the series will have Leica printed on its camera housing, which houses 3 rear-facing sensors in the case of the Xiaomi 12s Pro. Unfortunately, Xiaomi's Pro smartphone still lacks a periscope zoom camera, which is expected to appear in the Xiaomi 12s Ultra instead. Global release planned for Xiaomi 12T series as possible Xiaomi 11T or Xiaomi 11T Pro successors stops by FCC. Xiaomi 12 Ultra packaging leak indicates Xiaomi 12s Ultra name change as preparations for New Era launch event appear online. Asus ROG Phone 6 and Xiaomi 12 Ultra launch dates could clash with teasers rumored to start next week. Xiaomi Mi Band 7 directly available in the US, but buyer beware while the Mi Smart Band 6 and Amazfit Band 5 make cheaper alternatives for now. Multimedia. Budget multimedia. Gaming. Budget gaming. Lightweight gaming. Business. Budget office. Workstation. Subnotebooks. Ultrabooks. Chromebooks. Got questions or something to add to our article? Even without registering, you can post in the comments. Prior to writing and translating for Notebookcheck, I worked for various companies including Apple and Neowin. I have a BA in International History and Politics from the University of Leeds, which I have since converted to a law degree. Happy to chat on Twitter or Notebook Chat. Greater than notebook, laptop reviews and news. Greater than news archive. Greater than news archive 2022-06. Greater than Lei Jun confirms Xiaomi 12s Ultra while revealing Xiaomi 12s Pro design and specifications. Text source, notebookcheck.net.